Put it in your mouth. Now move your teeth up and down. Up and down. Good, numbnuts. Now you gotta swallow it. Tilt your head back and let the meat slide down your throat hole. Easy, don't choke.
Popeye's chicken is fucking awesome.
Now eat up, you're gonna need your energy.
I got energy up to yin yang. Let's go save Dad. Adrian, Cassius.
Oh boy.
Release the good. Release the good. Yes, they're furry.
Bunny, 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 bunny.
Release the awesome. What you do is put it in your mouth and let the meat slide down your throat hole. Not you, not you.
Popeye's chicken is the shiznit.